You know what, guys? You guys can comment on, and I have been waiting for this video because I've only did one other, and sad to say, guys, just look. Hold on. Just look when it shows up to the title screen. I know. Look, it says a level 9. And let me. Oh, check rewards. Wait, what? Wait, what is that? Say 30. Wait, hold on. What? Oh, I suck at this. Yeah, guys, I know. I'm only level 9 because, you know what? It got deleted again, which I was so angry about. But what does that one mean? Is that what it means? Oh my god, I want to be it so badly. It's so cute. Guys, should I be in PvP or cute? You know what? Fine, I'll be in PvP only because I haven't showed you guys from the PvP arena. Well, I kind of have, but not Green Hills. Actually, maybe I have. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Guys, I can't remember. You guys can go check out the other one. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I have played it a lot, okay? From the last time. Well, I'm going to be at level 10 in a Jiffy or something. Whatever they call it. Wait, what? That's one of the goals? You have to kill 15 of them? I'll do that later. You know, I already killed a bear and you, but I killed you with other teammates. I did not kill you alone. I'm not even helping you when you're literally 2 levels above me. How does that make sense? I see the title screen. Come back here, boy! Yeah, boy, come here. I want to murder you. Okay, guys, that was just sus. That was absolutely sick. No, please. I want to upgrade on my strength because I can. Yoink! Normally I would wait, hold up, guys. Yeah, she has the exact. Do you know why I said she? Look, that's the she song. Okay, whatever. Right, let's go. YouTuber killed champion wolf. They don't really sound like champions to me. Because it literally said YouTuber killed champion wolf. It doesn't sound too champion to me. Yeah, no. Why would they make that? Who knows? Ow. That was. Hello. Guys, look how cute he is. Isn't he literally adorable? He's so cute. This is such a cute wolf. I'm coming, boy. I mean, every wolf is literally adorable. Hello, buddy. you never defeat us. I mean, well, one of them defeated me. Oh, and then it said champion wolf killed YouTuber. Oh, okay. Joy! Oh! Wait, what? You want to leave current game and go to the dark forest? No! We have teammates to look after. Okay, yeah, that was really good. But yeah, I have teammates I'm gonna look at. You know what? Sometimes I'm mad. I need to be I'm not the alpha, and there's no nope. I'm not in for it. Nope, I'm not in for it at all. Nope, I'm not in for it. Nope. And since we're all alone now, we battle for the death. And now we don't battle for the death. Shut it, what was that for? No! Okay. Oh god, guys, she's catching up, guys. Guys, please subscribe for help. Okay, dude, these water effects are just amazing. They're just amazing. Not today, buddy! You want to kill me when now you're dead, eh? Oh my goodness! Oh god, you think that it was funny I'm coming over here? No, you're dead. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're dead. Hold on a minute, guys. I'll be there in a second. I don't want to get that. The thing sucks. Oh, level 18. Level 26. Level 13. Okay, almost here. 24. 30. Yeah. Wait, what the heck? Level 28. Okay. 33. Yeah. Look at that. Why? Boys! Hello, Champion Wolf! You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're not going... You're not going anywhere. Okay, I don't know what that was, but you're not going anywhere, boy. Are you serious? I'm catching up, buddy. You know that's literally Owl Cube. You know that, right? Yeah, you're not gonna be hiding. Wait a minute, guys. What if this is like I'm like a distraction for the other wolves? Maybe. No, seriously, maybe it actually is. Well, that's not gonna work, buddy, cause you gotta be dead meat. Hello! Oh, I killed him at 83 HP. Well, I'm not going over there. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm not going over there. I have 83 HP. Nope, no, thank you. No, thank you. What time is it? Oh, it's nowhere near school time. Okay. No. How much time has the video been? How much time? 6! Okay. YouTuber KO Champion. Maybe they should just call them the Weakling Wolf. Yeah, that would be okay. So, yeah. So, hello, Wakuni. Hello, Wakuni. Come here. Guys, what if player kills you? They just take a level away from. No, we don't talk about that, and I would just keep going on. Get away from me. So, please get away from me. I don't want you to be talking. No, well, maybe I should just, yeah, okay, yep, yo, that picture's so adorable. I don't want to chop their heads off. Did you guys just see? We unlocked the door for us, boys. Subscribe if you wanted to go to the other place that. Guys, I have gone to the level 35 ward, but never the 40 ward. I didn't get to go there, sadly. Yeah, that's so sad. Oh, this is a PvP. Wait, is this PvP? Wait a minute. Nope. I'm going after you. Not get you. I didn't have to get you. I'm just doing this for no reason. Because the effects is just really amazing. Well, how do people even make this game? I don't know how people make these games. I mean, I was about to make a game called The Bayo, but Beardo. Yeah, Beardo. Alpha car. I'm coming to the car, boy. Oh my goodness. It's a bison. No, wait, is that a bison or a bison? I'm gonna call it a bison for now. I don't know if I'm white. Guys, if I'm not white, then dislike. Okay, yeah, that was good. You're serious. You're kidding. I was what? No, wait a minute! There's another bison! Or bison! Bison, it's curly bison. Don't worry, wolf. Oh, nope, absolutely not. Nope, absolutely not. Ah! Nope. Woo! Guys, I'm gonna be careful and don't run. Seriously. That scared the absolute frick out of me. Where's the call? What do you want to fight? Yeah, I'm not fighting that Mr. Something Wolf. I'm coming in! Whoa! my gosh. Yeah, but I'm not finding that bison or bison, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. I'm not finding the bison or bison. I'm pretty sure that is a bison. Bison. You know what? Maybe I'm not a YouTuber anymore, you know? Guys, maybe I'm not a YouTuber. Guys, help me. I swear, if you guys do not help me, I'm going to be literally the most angriest thing out of you. Oh my god! Please don't attack me. Oh, 16. I'm going against the, oh! Did you guys just see that? Guys, help. I'm gonna talk about that. There's a big video bison right there. Maybe I don't fuck that. Oh god, I'm not waiting for this. Oh god. You know, I'm not fighting a bison. I have 112 though. Are you guys the alpha? No, none of you. Oh! You know what? If he's doing it, then I have to do it. I also have to move on to him too. Alright, yep, there we go. Oh! He accepted. Ow! Ouchie. Ouch. How was that? You're kidding. You're kidding. Come here, buddy! Dude, why are you guys just always so fast? Look how fast I'm killing you, buddy. You suck. Yeah, oh. Now I have 2 friends on the server. Guys, this video is not going. If this video doesn't go viral, then I don't know what video will. I mean, well, the Transfer Online video did, but yeah. I mean, in one day you guys did get 30 views on the other. Yeah, that was. I love you guys. Okay, you guys are amazing. You guys are the best. You guys are amazing. Yo, is he seriously fighting another? If he's fighting a bison, then I don't. It's a wait. If that's a black bear, then I'm done for. Oh, that's a black bear. I don't care though. You're dead. Oh, nobody's helping. Okay, sure. No, I want to be with these guys. I want to be the. Oh, wait, are they both my friends? Whoa, both of my friends are right there. Ooh. Ooh. I'm going. I don't care. No! My friend died. No, I died. Now he's probably gonna die. Wait a minute. Yeah, no way. Oh, no way. Oh, wait. Oh, for this. Tiger! I didn't even need to go to the call. Oh, wow. Okay. Hi, buddy! Hi, buddy! Oh, God. I was about to say, oh, God, they do damage. They do damage. Where am I going? Guys, that's going to be the end of the video. And I hope you guys have enjoyed, and goodbye.